What if I told you you can get quality, non-GMO, organic produce cheaper than Walmart? So this is Azure's website, and I'll go to Azure in a nutshell section to read so you know what their mission is. Azure Standard is a family-owned and independent company dedicated to providing you with high-quality, affordable, organic, natural, and non-GMO groceries, health, household, and garden products that meet your needs. And I should say this as a disclaimer, this video is not being sponsored by Azure. It's just a great product that my wife and my wife ran into and we've been enjoying. So it's pretty easy to use if you're looking to eat healthy, especially if you want to get away from processed groceries and you want to try some non-GMO organic groceries at an affordable cost. So you could look for a specific food item or a general, category of foods like produce. Let's say you're looking for quinoa, and the search gives you several options. So you just click on view options, and it's priced per pound or by ounce, and you click which option you want and add it to your cart. All right. One thing I should say also is that the best way to use Azure is to go ahead and sign up from the beginning, because you'll eventually need to sign in and have an account in order to purchase your items and pick them up at at the closest location. So once you've signed in for an account, one thing you'll see is that you have a pickup location. So with an account, you'll actually be able to see the nearest drop-off locations, which are dropped off at those locations every month, as well as a cutoff time for ordering in time to get your produce or items in that drop-off by the next pickup date. So the next pickup date for me will be February 26th. Cutoff date time, I have 25 days to add things to my cart and then pick it up from Raleigh, which is the closest city to where I am right now. So as soon as you're ready to check out, you just click on your cart, check out, and simply place your order, and then you'll be able to pick it up at the nearest location. So of course the locations vary, and I can't tell you for you obviously what the nearest drop off will be, but it's definitely worth looking into. So it's very easy to use, very convenient, and not only will you be saving money, but you get great quality produce from local farms. All right, so this is what we were able to buy using Azure Standard, and it was really an easy process. The greatest thing about is the amount of money that you save. So the food on this table right here, this is what I had actually my white daughter do. She went on Walmart and tried to find all this food on Walmart. It would have cost you $395 to buy this amount of food from Walmart. And on top of that, the food you're getting is not organic. You can guess. It's up to you to guess where it comes from. When it comes to shopping food from Walmart, we know you're not getting the freshest food. But my wife, she was able to find and go through this process pretty easy, you would say?
Yeah, very easy.
Yep. And on top of that, save money. So this actually cost us how much? About $335?
Yeah.
About $335. So we saved about $60. Now, I did say it's local farms. Does it really come from local farms or?
I believe so.
Yeah.
Yes.
You want to just explain real quick how the process works?
So it's Azure works with local farms throughout the US, and they come together and they come to their local drops once a month.
Okay.
And you order your food and you pick up the food once a month, and that's how it goes. You just continue putting stuff in your cart, and once you're ready to buy them, you have the opportunity to purchase them at the end of the month, I believe.
Yeah. Okay.
That's basically
Yeah.
it.
Do you want to just tell us real quick what it is that's on the table?
Yes, this is black quinoa. We have nutritional yeast, non-GMO, almonds, dates, walnuts, cashews, raisins, cinnamon, zucchini. Now you get a fruit box, and it's a mystery box, I call it, because you don't know really what's coming in the box until you get it, because it's whatever is in season.
In season, yeah.
That's what you would get in the box. So we got some oranges, grapefruit, a coconut, garlic, sweet potatoes, some kind of squash. Can't remember the name again.
Sime, what was that thing called again?
Acorn squash.
Acorn. According to my daughter, who is a chef, she knows a little better than us. This is supposed to be acorn squash.
Onion. We got turmeric, celery, and some apples and kiwis.
Yeah, and it's a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot.
This
is prunes. These are pretty big bags.
But they also tell you also how much pounds of food you ordered. Oh, we forgot. We bought.
You wanna grab it?
Let me get it.
Yeah. So there's also one other thing we forgot. That's two other things we got. Well, I'll just bring you guys to it. So this is a big bag of
25 pounds of. This is spelt flour.
And both of them sell flour?
No.
Yeah, so this is 25 pounds of spelt flour. Something you can do a lot with. Okay, and just keep in mind, guys, that if you're looking, this is for a person who wants to eat fresh, wholesome foods, organic foods for their health. This is what is steel cut oats.
Yeah, steel cut
which is
oats.
great for diabetes if you're looking to eat oatmeal. But rolled oats or quick oats is spiking your blood sugar. Steel cut oats would do the trick for you. So as I've been teaching and in these videos, whole foods, particularly plant-based whole foods, is the way to go to basically reverse almost any chronic disease, especially diabetes. But the problem for a lot of us is cost. And if you're anywhere near within an hour or even an hour and a half of a major city, you most likely could use this service. So that's it. I know a lot of people feel like they can't afford to eat healthy. Well, Azure is just one more tool to make it affordable, to not only eat healthy, but eat high quality organic food at affordable prices. And I want to highlight that the prices we compared were organic foods versus non-organic foods purchased at Walmart. So, and you don't need to eat organic. The idea is that the more whole food that we eat, the better it is for our diabetes and other chronic diseases. So if you have any other questions or you want to learn more about diabetes, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you want me to talk about, what you want to learn about surrounding diabetes and your overall health. And as always, I'll also have a link in the description if you want to find further assistance through one-on-one health coaching to reverse diabetes. I'll see you on the next video.